90% of the people just write goals in their notebook and move away. They think about the goals, they write the goals in their diaries and never take the action. Whereas only 10% get ahead and achieve all their goals properly. So why is there so much of difference in the number of people actually doing the work and the number of dreamers which are actually more? So, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can actually become in the 10% of the people who actually do the work properly and get things done. In the first category, which in the people of 90% who write the goals in the diaries, and even I was in that category a few months ago because I used to write each and every goal in the diaries and then just forget about it and not working on it properly. So this kind of pattern started to repeat again and again, and I observed that this is repeating, and so we need to focus on doing the work. Many of us tend to write road maps in the notebook. What we do is we write all the roadmaps of the new skills. For example, if you want to learn digital marketing, you will write the roadmap of everything from beginner to pro. Similarly, you will write for other skills as well, like video editing. You will write the skills from beginner to pro. The roadmaps will be clear for everything. But what happens is you are not following the roadmap. You are just writing it somewhere and just keep forgetting about it. So that pattern repeats again and again. Another day, you will take another notebook and you will write the same roadmap again in different words. And if you try to move ahead from this writing roadmaps, you would watch just the surface level content in the particular skill. You have to move upwards and learn from deep focused content. Like, for example, you have to learn from 2 to 3 hours long videos. There you will get the actual knowledge of the skills rather than just seeing the videos which are very in the short form. 1 to 2 hours of deep work in a particular skill can get you ahead of the 90% of the people. So remember in the starting of the video, I said that 10% of the people were getting ahead and getting the work done. Those were the people who used to do only 2% of the work daily. They were not dreamers, they were actually the doers. And it's not about the quantity of work they used to do. At the lowest days, they do the work 2%. That means that they would still try to achieve what the goal of the today is by doing the they will not skip it. If you're watching till here, consistency is the real key, and this proverb I think is incomplete. Consistency is the key for success because everything remains constant, but consistency brings actual success. Not everyone realizes this early. If you understood this well, then you will try to work faster. I have been working to get into the 10% category where the people actually do the work. So there I found two things which are very common. Number one is the environment. The place where you work matters a lot. If you're working in an untidy environment, you get to tend distracted. And if you're working, if you're having phones or laptop nearby, then you will get distracted. So environment should be clean and should be distraction free. And the next thing is mindset. How the environment should be clean, the mind should also be clean and clear. Whatever the goal you're working on, any particular skill, you should be focused. You should answer. If you're not working it properly, then what will happen? You probably won't get to learn this skill again, or might be you will get not improved in, you will not get the job, you will not get money out of this skill. So these are the consequences of not learning it. The mindset should be to complete the skill. So these are the two things, the environment and the mindset, which matters to complete the particular skill from just roadmaps to actual completion of the skill. If you are watching till here and you are stuck somewhere, if you need my guidance in becoming better at your career and becoming more consistent at your skill learnings, then you can book my consultancy. You can book a session with me. The link is in the description.